it's Adriana with Screen Print Direct. As a screen printing business owner, it's essential to prioritize your customers' needs and provide them with the best possible service. In this video, we'll go over 5 things you could do to improve your customer satisfaction and loyalty. Number 1 on the list is proofreading their work. Catching and editing small misspellings and mistakes is really important for both you and the customer. It's really important that you catch any mistakes before starting production. Number 2 is offering digital proofs. I would not like to place an order without first looking at a digital proof. It's a great way to give your customers an idea of what their final product will look like. It provides your customers peace of mind and also gives you a little bit of security. Number 3 is to communicate and keep your customers updated. Give your customers updates throughout the process to make sure they know that their job is getting done on time. This is a great and very simple way to make sure your customer knows that you value their business and their time. Number 4 is quality control. Go over all your prints, check for misprints, and count your pieces to make sure your customers are getting the best and what they paid for. Last but not least is offering deals and specials. This is a super simple strategy that can help bring back some customers while also helping them save a little money.